Hey all, this is Chris Winter, Executive Director of the Access Fund. I'm here in my home office in Colorado, and I wanted to get out a message right now to everyone in our community about the coronavirus pandemic. Right now, as climbers, it's really important that we focus on a couple things. First, we need to do our part to slow the spread of the virus and flatten the curve. And second, we should be thinking about what we can do to avoid stressing our medical systems. We've heard a lot of concerns from friends and climbing partners and family members who live in rural communities like Bishop, California, Moab, Utah, and Central Oregon that they're dealing with an influx of climbers during this situation. That risks spreading the virus in these remote, isolated communities and overstressing the healthcare systems in those places. So we strongly encourage all climbers to go home, to stay at home, and to avoid travel to these places until we get the situation under control. Secondly, if you're thinking about going out and climbing your local community at your local crags, you really need to think about how you're going to manage social distancing when you're out at the crags. It can be really tough. Local crags can be really crowded. The base areas can be crowded. We're all grabbing the same piece of rock. We share food and water with our climbing partners. And so we don't have a lot of concrete information from our healthcare professionals on what kind of risks are associated with rock climbing. But what we can tell you is that it's really important to keep your distance and to really prioritize following CDC guidelines on social distancing. And so it just might be better right now to go for a hike, go for a jog, go for a run, and just really think hard about whether climbing is the right decision. Thanks so much for supporting the Access Fund over the years. We're going to continue to get information out to the community during these difficult times. You can keep up to date with us at accessfund.org. And I'm really optimistic. Our community is super strong. It's one of the most amazing things about the climbing community. We pull together in times of adversity. So we'll get through this. We'll find our way out the other side. And when we return to normal, I look forward to seeing everyone out of the crack. Thanks a lot.